Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a battery charge comparison between the Huawei Mate 20 Pro against the Xiaomi Mi 8. So it's going to be Huawei's new 40 watt charger going up against the Qualcomm 3.0 charger. So let's find out how they perform in this video. Up first is the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It has a massive 4200 mAh battery. It comes with the 40 watt charger, and you can see the voltage details on the right, and a white USB type A to USB type C cable. Then we have the Xiaomi Mi 8. It has a smaller 3400 mAh battery. It comes with a 2-pin Qualcomm 3.0 fast charger, and you can see the voltage details on the left, and a white USB A to USB type C cable. Both of the batteries are flat. I'm just going to power them on and check the charging percentage every 15 minutes or so. Coming up to the first 15 minutes, the Mate 20 Pro is at 31% and the Mi 8 is at 19%, which is a 12% lead. Coming up to half an hour, the Mate 20 Pro is at 66% and the Mi 8 is at 44%, which is a 22% lead. 45 minutes later, the Mate 20 Pro is at 90% and the Mi 8 is at 68%, which is still at a 22% lead. At the 1 hour mark, the Mate 20 Pro is at 96% and the Mi 8 is at 85%, which is an 11% lead. 5 minutes later, the Mate 20 Pro is at 98% and the Mi 8 is at 89%, which is a 9% lead. Another 5 minutes later, the Mate 20 Pro is at 99% and the Mi 8 is at 91%, which is an 8% lead. And then 3 minutes later, the Mate 20 Pro is at 99% and the Mi 8 is at 92%, which is a 7% lead. Then one more minute later, at 1 hour and 14 minutes, the Mate 20 Pro has fully charged and the Mi 8 is at 93%. After 1 hour and 30 minutes, the Mi 8 is at 98%. 5 minutes later, the Mi 8 is at 99%. Another 2 minutes later, the Mi 8 is still at 99%. And finally, 1 minute later, at 1 hour and 38 minutes, the Mi 8 has charged to 100%. The difference here is 24 minutes. So that is the end of this battery charge comparison, and here are the timings at a glance. The Mate 20 Pro was nearly at 70% after 30 minutes, with the Mi 8 under 50%. The Mate 20 Pro fully charged at 1 hour and 14 minutes, then 24 minutes after that the Mi 8 fully charged. So what are your thoughts about this comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now the 40 watt charger is definitely really impressive. I'm not sure how good the Mi 8 would have done with the Qualcomm 4.0 fast charger. However, there will be a newer charger from OnePlus, so we'll see how that fares with the Mate 20 Pro. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. The next set of videos will be the Mate 20 Pro going up against the iPhone XS Max. Then after that, I will be getting the Pixel 3 and the OnePlus 6T. So make sure you have your bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching and I will catch up with you in the next video.